In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time on the Ctrader platform. Whether you're using the desktop app or the web version, adjusting the chart's time zone is quick, and it helps you align candles and timestamps with your local time, UTC, or your broker's server time for clearer analysis. Start by launching Ctrader, either on your computer or in your browser. If you're on the web, make sure you're using an up-to-date browser and that you're signed in. The interface looks very similar across versions, so the steps you're about to hear should match what you see, even if minor labels vary. Open the chart you want to adjust. This can be any symbol or time frame. Click the chart so it's active. That way, any changes you make apply to the right place. If you work with multiple charts, remember that time settings are often per chart, not always global, so you may repeat this for others. Next, open Chart Properties. The fastest way is usually to right-click anywhere on the chart and choose Properties. Some layouts also show a small gear icon or a chart settings button near the top or bottom toolbar. Either route gets you to the same panel. Inside Chart Properties, look for a section labelled General or Time. Different builds of Ctrader can group these controls differently, but the time controls are typically easy to spot. You're looking specifically for options related to time zone, chart time, or something similar. Now, locate the time zone options. Common choices include local time, which follows your device clock, UTC, which is universal and great for syncing times across platforms, and server or broker time, which can match the timing of your broker's sessions and reports. If there's a toggle like Use System Time Zone, that usually maps to your computer's settings, including daylight saving adjustments. Select the option that fits your workflow. For example, traders who compare charts from multiple brokers often prefer UTC for consistency, while those who plan their day around local market opens may prefer local time. Be aware that switching time zones won't change the actual market data. It only shifts how timestamps are displayed. Finally, confirm your choice by clicking OK or Apply. Your chart should update immediately, and you'll see the new time zone reflected along the time axis and in candle tooltips. If nothing changes, make sure the correct chart is selected and that you're not looking at a detached or paused window. As a tip, once you like how a chart is configured, save it as a template so you can reuse these time settings across future charts.